All right, I've never cooked a turkey before, but I don't know what the kids and everybody's doing tomorrow, and I think it's pretty important. We have us a little Thanksgiving dinner probably this evening. This little guy, I've raised chickens that big and butchered, I'd say maybe 2.5 hours, 325, 350 something. What I've done, I've got the turkey neck, the liver and stuff out of it. This little one come with a gravy pack. I don't really know about that. I'll may taste it. Probably end up making my own. So he's washed. He's been patted dry, and only for all the food sanitary experts. There we go. Okay, so in this little bowl here, I have a teaspoon of poultry seasoning, a stick of butter that's softened, and I have a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna rub its skin down and get underneath its breast right here and rub underneath it. I don't think it'd be too much different than a chicken. Just give him a massage and some love. A lot of people just use pads of butter and stuff I've watched through. But we'll get his wings. I know when I was a kid, my favorite part was the skin. Alright, now we're going to pry his breast skin up. Just a whole bunch of butter under there. And we'll stick the rest on the inside of it. And get these old paws washed off. All right, now we got our oven bag. We put about, I don't know, tablespoon of flour in that, shook it up, then dump the rest of it out in the garbage. Get our little bird in there. Now we're going to cut us a 1/2 inch hole in the top of him so the steam can get out. There we go. All right, let's put him in the oven and see what happens. Our little 10-pound turkey's done. Turned out really nice, actually. Golden brown. Looks really juicy too. Tender. Best part. Don't realize how much you love these things just eating them once a year or so, do you? But yeah, don't be afraid of baking one if you haven't. I baked this one 2.5 hours at 350 degrees. Just what I bake chicken on. But yeah, that butter, that worked out perfect. Not too salty. Taste of poultry seasoning. And I have the broth over here. I don't think I'm going to use that gravy packet. I think I'll go over there and teach people that don't know how to make homemade turkey gravy how to real quick. So.